A very good morning, dear students.
Morning, sir.
Please. Very good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
That's great.
Bring CRM in the telecom industry with your expertise of the telecom industry, right? So you will be good in that, right? You will support your business, support your industry, right? That's why everyone, those who are from any specific field, are always be incorporated and given an extra benefit over it. While the better accessibility, right? Better accessibility, that means it's provide you a data security feature, very strong data security feature. This not only secure your org, you have to secure your data at the object level, at the field level, at the record level. Only authorized person can access that data. So accessibility is very strong in that. So it is very secure system. That's why it's most powerful. 6 trillion economy, right? GDP growth is that. So while other like SAP having only percentage of 15%, and Microsoft Dynamics only 30%, Oracle 10%, Adobe 8%, and all other CRM. There are very few CRM, right? They having 30%. There are so many CRM in that, right? So they have only 30%. While if we talk individually, most 23.8% market share is of Salesforce. So that's why he's a leader in this CRM field. And if we talk about the revenue growth, and in this Gartner predicted that by 2026, right, as compared to the 2021. See here, the difference in 2021, it is only $52.8 billion, while it is predicted that its market available in the Salesforce portal. You have to configure these software as per your business or requirement. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैंने अपना सूट सिलवाना था, तो मैंने बना बनाया सूट गया, तो मैंने अपने फिटिंग अपने अकॉर्डिंग की. तो वैसे ही कि हमने वो सॉफ्टवेयर को, जो एक जनरल सॉफ्टवेयर था, उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग किया, तो हम उसको कहते हैं कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इस टर्म में. ठीक है, तो ये जो सर्विस है वो कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, किसके थ्रू प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं? SaaS एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू. किसके थ्रू? SaaS. दूसरा केस क्या है? PaaS, that is platform as a service. What is the meaning in that? That means एक तक मैंने बताया कि अब मैंने कहा नहीं, मुझे बना बनाया ऑलरेडी है, वो नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, हम स्क्रैच से, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना, ठीक है, वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं यूज करने, मुझे लेकिन सीआरएम की फंक्शनैलिटी एज इट इज चाहिए. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? स्क्रैच से वो सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन कर रहे होंगे. तब यहां पे यूज होता है पास, यानी कि सेल्स को प्रोवाइड इट्स ओन सर्विसेज ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म. अगर मैं कहूं कि सपोज आपको एक सूट सिलवाना, ठीक है, तो आप क्या करोगे? अच्छे जगह जाओगे, अच्छा ही सूट सिलवाओगे, तो आप रेमंड के का सोचा कि रेमंड इज गुड फॉर सूट, राइट? तो आपके पास दो तरीके हैं, या तो आप कपड़ा लेके सिलवाओ, या आप बना बनाया लो. दो है ऑप्शंस. एसक्यूएल, जिसमें सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम वेयर क्लॉज लगता है, बस उतना ही आप उसके थ्रू पूरा डेटा अपने ऑर्ग में ला सकते हैं. ठीक है, और जब आप फ्रंट एंड की बात करते हैं, तो फ्रंट एंड में आप यूज कर रहे होंगे HTML, CSS एंड जावास्क्रिप्ट. And one more library that is called IWC, that is a Lightning Web Component. This is an additional one that will basically provide the enhance the user interface, right? It is a Lightning Web Component library, so this will use in this, right? So these are the few technologies that will use to customize any application from the scratch, right? So I am just talking about another thing in that. So you have seen you can use either the SaaS platform or the PaaS platform. So Why it is so much powerful among all other CRM applications? First is utilization of powerful. Like you have seen, what we are doing to enhance your business or engage the customer more. तो आप क्या कर रहे होंगे? आपको कुछ ऐसा करना होगा जिसके थ्रू आप कस्टमर तक रीच आउट कर सकें जल्दी. Fifth is the improved internal office that I already told you. Extending go-to-market capability. Salesforce is leveraging innovative tools such as artificial intelligence or Einstein bot or agent force. Using these go-to-marketers, that means you will directly engage with all the different kind of campaigns like the social media campaign, email marketing. Having 1.6 trillion economy, right? GDP growth is that. So while other like SAP having only percentage of 15%, and Microsoft Dynamics only 13%, Oracle 10%, Adobe 8%, and all other CRM. There are very few CRM, right? They having 30%. There are so many CRM in that, right? So they have only 30%. While if we talk individually, most 23.8% market share is of sales. This CRM is the leading one CRM among all the existing CRM. Have you seen other CRM also? Do you know anything about the CRM? Like Pipedrive, Microsoft Dynamics, Freshers.com, Freshers, Monday.com, Oracle SAP. These are the other CRM in the market. But out of all these CRMs, currently Salesforce is the leading one and it's having 23.8% of market share. So huge among all. While others also worked on two verticals, right? One is the SaaS and another is PaaS. You know about the SaaS? That is Salesforce, that is software as a service. Another one is a platform as a service. What is the meaning?
Delivering such a wonderful session. We are enlightened with your such a intellectual talk. We are knowing many much things about the Salesforce, and there are the consulting companies are just like TCS, Infosys, and many more companies are the consulting companies. And the company Cloud Analogy is also a consulting company in the field of Salesforce. So your job will be more likely that it will be in the field of consulting. So this is a big opportunity. This is Cloud Analogy is a very big multinational company. I think it is headquartered in USA and many other organized countries like UK, Australia, I think.
Mohali and Noida. And one is the office in.
You already know CEO was the student of Sir, and he is in a position to hire you people, and they already hired from this institute. So you have a great opportunity to listen, and I think you will be more knowledgeable after this session. So you have a great opportunity, even in the form of the job. So you should focus on the particular how you can grab that particular job. Sir has told you that you can get the job through learning this way, that way. So you should go through that. Otherwise, if you will be in the journal things, you may not be end up in the job. If you are focused what type of job that you want, and you should focus on that. I want this type of job, so I must learn this type of technology. So Sir has provided one aspect of your career. If you are interested, then you can go in that field. This is a custom. If you are not very much, sir has told you that in particular programming, then even you can make the career. That is very interesting. Just for customization, you can get the job.